Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. We are here live in Las Vegas for SEMA 2018. Yeah, up top.
How you doing?
There we go. We're doing great. Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. SEMA 2018. We are live in Las Vegas in the Oracle booth alongside Danny. Danny, this has been one of the most eye-catching booths I've seen in the whole show.
Thank you, appreciate it. You know, we're really proud about our product and being at SEMA 2018. You know, our big thing about is bringing wonderful lighting to our customers in their cars. This is the Oracle Vector Grill. Really excited about this. It's a new release. We got best new accessory runner-up, so very excited about that.
Well, you can totally see why. Look at how cool this stuff is, man.
Yeah, appreciate that. So this is for the JK model. You know, we do have other models as well available come March. It's for the TJ and then the JL. One cool thing about this is that it's a direct plug-and-play system. So the factory grille and headlights come off the Jeeps, and this goes directly on there. 2 plugs, headlights, and blinkers. That's it.
So it's not going to take you all day and about 3 or 4 of your friends to help you install this bad boy right here.
Not at all. 30 minutes maybe.
I see some of the different designs too, because you've got this lineup up here, but on this black one, you've got flashing red lights at the bottom.
Yep, so that's the turn signals. Basically, those are the turn signals that will operate for the JK model. So for the TJ and the JL, those turn signals are actually on different parts of the vehicle, like the fenders. So they're not on this particular model of Jeep.
How cool is this? So I like all these different switches. Look, hold on, wait a minute.
So basically what we have here is we have our high beams and low beams. So this just shows like your actual low beam operation, and then when you have your high beam on, your high beam operation. So the light is very bright, optimal output of light for your headlights. Now they are adjustable as well too. Each headlight can be adjusted based off the ride height of that Jeep. So different Jeeps have different ride heights. Now you can adjust the high beam and low beam based off of that ride height.
Super sweet. Are these available now?
Yes, they are available now. You can go to oraclelights.com and you can buy them online, or you can call one of our reps or any one of our dealers.
Okay, excellent. Or you can go to midwestaftermarket.com, whatever, just pick up these because they are sweet.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Hey, I thank you. I'm Kyle, and we will see you next time. I'm just going to take a look at this real quick. Why is it so bright? It hurts my eyes.